Salam everyone, I hope that you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be about rainbow sponge pastries. Let's get into the video. So first, take about 100 grams of butter and beat it well. Next goes in 1.5 cups of sugar. When the sugar mixes well in the butter, add 3 eggs one at a time. Next goes in a teaspoon of baking powder and a cup of all-purpose flour. Fold the batter until it gets smooth enough. I also added in a teaspoon of vanilla extract off camera. Now shift half of the batter to another bowl. Add in your favorite food color to the divided batter. I used pink and blue colors. You can go for whatever colors you want to choose. Spread the batter in the baking pan as shown. In the oven for about 30 minutes or until it gets completely baked. Meanwhile, we'll be preparing the sugar syrup, and for that we'll take a cup of milk and 75 grams of condensed milk. Mix these both on low flame. When it gets prepared, turn off the flame, and when the syrup gets on room temperature, shift it to a container suitable to you. I used a small spray bottle. Here the sponge was prepared, I divided it into half and sprayed the prepared syrup. Now cover the layer with the help of whipped cream. Here I've spread the other half over it and did the same with it. You can cut your pastries in whatever size you want. You can decorate the top whatever way you want. That's all for today. If you guys enjoy my videos, don't forget smashing in that subscribe button and turn that black thumb blue for more appealing videos. I'll see you in my next recipe. Till then, take care. Goodbye.